Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar met with a delegation of taxi drivers and discussed issues related to their trade. Taxi drivers in the North Goa have been agitating against the Russians and the people of other nationalities operating illegally in the transportation business in Goa. In fact, the taximen went on a flash strike on Tuesday protesting against the authorities failing to act on their complaints about foreigners operating taxi services in the North Goa coastal belt. Taxi drivers are also demanding that the government ban the operation of bus coaches for sightseeing tours, which they say eats into their business. The outcome of their meeting with the Chief Minister at the State Secretariat was unclear, but sources said Parrikar has assured to come up with a solution. The Chief Minister has suggested setting up flying squads to check the operation of illegal taxi services by foreigners.
आज अशी मीटिंग जाली की भरघोस सोल्यूशन असे येवंक ना, पण एक आमका सीएमान एक आमका 15 दिसाचो एक टाइम दिला की 15 दिसा भितर खंय तरी बसून पॉइंट टू पॉइंट आमका कितें जाय कशें कितें जाय हे पॉइंट टू पॉइंट डिस्कशन करून सीएमाक एक दिवपाचें कितें तरी की आमका कितें जाय एक्झॅक्टली कितें जाय आनी कशें जाय पॉइंट टू पॉइंट डिस्कशन करून आमच्या भितर सीएमाक रेटी फायनलायज करून दिवपाचें. आणि सीएमान सांगला जे इलिगली ट्युरिझम हा जे इलिगली रशियन रेप स्काउट्स हा त्यांचे आमकां त्रास जाल्ले हा ते कंप्लीटली आपण जाता तशें बंद करता. तेचेर तेंच्यांनी कमिटी काडल्या. त्या कमिटीर स्वता सीएम ट्युरिझम मिनिस्टर आणि मायकल लोबो त्या कमिटीर आसून ते देखरेख करतले.
I have requested all taxi drivers and owners that you all come out clean first. There are allegations from tour operators that they are cheating, which they are not. हे चीट कोत्ता म्हणटा ही गजाल खरी न्हू. केन्नाच इंटरॅक्शन आयज बसून जावंक ना बिटवीन ट्युरिस्ट टॅक्सी ओनर्स आनी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ ट्युरिझम. एक सेमिनार जावपाक जाय. स्वता उठून हेंचे वेबसायटीचेर आहा हे चोर तशें जाता. तुमी इंटरॅक्शन घेतलां केन्ना तरी तेंची मिटींग घेतल्या ते केन्ना तरी तांकां कॉन्फरन्स हॉलान आपयला सगळ्या ड्रायव्हरांक आनी ओनरांक की बाबा तुमचेर अशें एलिगेशन आहा हे आमी क्लीन करुया म्हणून. ना कोणेच तशें केन्नाच करूंक ना. वाय इट इज नॉट हॅपनिंग. I have told Honorable Chief Minister and Tourism Minister also, you take their seminars, train the drivers, train the owners, put their things in order. They are facing so many difficulties. They cannot park on the road. They don't have changing room. They don't have facilities. Give them a kiosk where they will put their person inside. They will put a rate chart. There is no proper rate which is notified. आज डायरेक्टर ट्रान्सपोर्ट आसलो तेका आमी रिक्वेस्ट केला. चीफ मिनिस्टरान सांगला तेका ऑर्डर दिला की विदिन 8 days नोटिफाय द रेट्स ऑन पॉइंट टू पॉइंट बेसीस. लायक पणजेसून तूं कलांगूट येतलो जाल्यार नोटिफायड रेट उमकी आहा. दर तूं 800 रुपया ओ 1000. लेट इट बी नोटिफायड. कोण तरी म्हणटा की आपल्याक 1500 सांगले, कोण म्हणटा 2000 सांगले. कित्याक? Let the rate be notified. Let the booklet be in the tourist taxi. Let the customer see that booklet and see, okay, this is I am going to this destination from Panjim to Anjuna. I have to pay 800. She doesn't have to negotiate for the price. And if she negotiates and if the driver agrees or the owner agrees, it is their goodwill. But fixed price is this because there are no meters over here. Goa cannot afford meters because वयताना तुवें जो तर पणजेसून कलांगूट येलोय कोणाक तुका खाली येवचो पडटा रिटर्न. सो मिटरान वचपाक जायना हिंगा. सो इट शूड बी पॉइंट टू पॉइंट रेट नोटिफायड. दीस इज द फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज वीच दे हॅव एग्रीड. डायरेक्टर ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्ट एंड द चीफ मिनिस्टर आनी आमी सगळे एग्री जाले. तशीच चीफ मिनिस्टरान